Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to draw hexagon. So if you want to draw hexagon, you can use the polygon command. Type polygon, press enter and set for the sides into 6. Enter again. Now for center point, I will click here and use the corner. So you can set for the distance like 50 and press enter. So we will create the hexagons with the length 50. You also can create by using sides. You can type again polygon, press enter, number set 6, and in here I will click for the center points and you can choose sides option. You can create into this point. Okay, another with the edge distance, you can type again polygon, press enter, and number side 6, enter again. Now type S to choose the set length, and I will click here. I can create with this side length. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to draw hexagon.